Golden Secrets of Drawing number 3. Remove all obstacles and excuses. Humans are amazing creatures. We can dream up excuse after excuse not to do something. So remove the obstacles in your way and cut out the excuses. You can make it easier to begin a drawing by having a studio ready and waiting for you to get to work as soon as you feel the urge. A studio could be a simple corner of a table, a garret in an attic, or a fancy shed in the garden. Whatever you can arrange or afford, leave everything out ready to draw. Putting things away gives you the opportunity to hesitate and decide not to draw next time. It's such an effort to open a drawer or cupboard and look for a pencil and paper, so don't hide your drawing materials away. You've heard of artist license? Well, I'm giving you a license not to tidy up all the time. You are an artist and you need to be ready to draw at a moment's notice. The Golden Secrets of Drawing book has a plain white soft vinyl finish cover. I think of this book as a comfort blanket for creative people who need a little bit of a confidence boost. In time, I imagine your book will become scuffed and covered in graphite thumbprints and coffee rings. You can get the book from the Amazon links below. As well as being the author, I'm also an Amazon affiliate, so I'll get a royalty and affiliate fee, but you will pay no extra. You can also read the book on my website if you join my Flipbook library, where you can also read my How to Draw books and other books I've written and illustrated. It's an easy way for you to support this channel. See the links below. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. Here's an idea. How about a spiral seashell? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shu Rayner Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.